Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of a new Burger King and Popeyes location that recently opened by Angels in St. Catherine. That's the entrance to Highway 2000, or the entrance exit to Highway 2000. East, north, south leg, the one that takes you from Kingston to Ocho. And this location just opened recently. You can see they have the banners up letting everybody know that it's open. And it's a new Burger King and new Popeyes. Both franchises are owned by the same company in Jamaica. So usually the open locations, they're open too. And this company, I think is Restaurants of Jamaica. They also have the franchise for Krispy Kreme. So I'm not sure, maybe a Krispy Kreme might open up out here in a bit. Alright guys, we're just giving you an update on the new location. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Now if you want to... Okay, what I've noticed is KFC always puts their restaurants at excellent locations. And across the road is Angels Plaza that has a KFC. Now the plaza doesn't do very well because the supermarket closed, and ever since then the plaza has just been in a decline. But the KFC does extremely well, and they are across the road. So based on that, I would say this location is going to do very well for Burger King. Also, you can exit the highway, get food, but you have to pay toll when you exit. Do you pay toll when you exit? Yes, you pay toll when you exit. You go through the toll plaza, you access the Burger King, and you can get back on the toll plaza. The toll road, I should say. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And Angels has a very large residential community. You have across the road, two very large, actually in the entire area you have a very large residential population. And the main road that you're looking at now is the one that takes you to the Boardwalk Gorge, which is the main road to take you out of Kingston when heading to the north coast. So right at this location you have access to both roads, the road that takes you to the gorge, through the gorge, and also the highway. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.